How to clean up Gmail storage on Android. So first of all, launch Gmail application. Now once you come here on your main inbox page, you can long tap on certain emails. Then you can tap on this pen icon in order to delete that and then free up space on your Gmail account. Now after this, go to the hamburger icon. Then you can see bin option. Tap on it. Now once you come over here, go ahead and select on empty bin now. Now just tap on empty. Now this will permanently delete all the unnecessary emails that you had deleted from your main inbox or other category of your mail. After this, tap on your profile picture icon. From here, you can see the option of clean up space. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see the total storage you had used up till this date. You can tap on more details and you can see all the services that have been using your storage. Now you can scroll down below and you can tap on the option of review under each and every category in order to clean up space. Now scroll down below and tap on Gmail. From here, you can make a selection on each and every files and then tap on delete. On top, you can see the storage that specific file contains. If you tap on delete, you will be able to free up storage from Gmail on your Android device. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.